In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Squarespace AI. To get started, open Squarespace and click on Create Website. This will begin the setup process and guide you into the website builder experience. Squarespace uses a simple onboarding flow here, so even if you're brand new, it's designed to feel approachable. Next, you'll be asked what your site is about. Choose the option that best matches your business, project, or personal brand. This step matters because it helps Squarespace AI understand the kind of website you want to create and influences the design suggestions you'll receive. Once you've made your selection, click Next to continue. After that, Squarespace will ask what you want to do with your website. For example, this could relate to showcasing services, selling products, sharing information, or building an online presence. Pick the option that fits your goal most closely, then click Next again. Now you'll see the option for AI Website Builder. Click that to move into the AI-powered setup. This is where Squarespace starts generating a more personalized site based on the choices you make. You'll then be prompted to enter your site title. Add the name you want your website to use. Try to make it clear and relevant, since this helps set the tone for the rest of the build. After that, select your brand personality. This is an important step because it shapes the overall feel of your site, including how polished, playful, modern, or professional it appears. Choose the personality that best reflects your brand or message, then click Next. The next screen lets you add pages to your site. Select the pages you want included, such as the most essential sections for your website. This helps Squarespace AI generate a site structure that's ready to work with from the start. When you're done, click Next. From there, choose a color palette. Pick the one that best matches your brand style or the mood you want your website to communicate. Color has a big impact on first impressions, so take a moment here and choose something that feels right. Then, click Next. Next, choose a font pairing. This affects how your text will look across the site, including headings and body content. A good font pairing can make your site feel more elegant, modern, bold, or minimal, so select the option that matches your overall branding. When everything looks good, click Finish. Squarespace AI will then begin creating your website based on the selections you made. At this point, it may take a little while, so just give it a moment to process. And that's how to use Squarespace AI to quickly generate a website foundation you can build on.